Hello, educators and lifelong learners. Welcome to our channel, ChaSpeaks, where we explore the latest trends and innovations in education. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of artificial intelligence and its impact in teaching and learning. This is your learning partner, Richard Gonzalez on ChaSpeaks. So, before we continue, please subscribe to Speaks. Please like and share as well. Thank you very much. Okay. AI or artificial intelligence has been revolutionizing various industries and education is no exception. With its ability to analyze data, personalize learning experiences, and automate routine tasks, AI can transform how we teach and learn. Here, I will discuss some key features of AI that support learning and main consideration in understanding AI in education. Number one, personalized learning. One of the most powerful applications in AI in teaching is its ability to personalize students' learning experiences by analyzing students' learning patterns and preferences. AI can recommend tailored resources, adaptive learning path, and individualized feedback, ultimately enhancing student engagement and achievement. Second, intelligent tutoring system. AI-powered intelligent tutoring systems can provide students with personalized support and guidance, offering real-time feedback, adaptive learning materials, and targeted intervention based on students' performance. These systems can supplement traditional teaching methods, providing additional support and resources to both students and teachers. Third, data driven insights. AI can analyze vast amounts of educational data to identify trends, patterns, and insights that can transform instructional strategies, curriculum development, and educational policies. By leveraging AI, educators can make data informed decisions to improve teaching practices and student outcomes. Number four, automation of routine tasks. AI can streamline administrative tasks such as grading, lesson planning, and assessment, allowing educators to focus more on meaningful interactions with students and instructional design. By automating routine tasks, AI can help educators reclaim the valuable time and energy for more impactful teaching activities. Now let's talk about the benefits. The practical application of AI in education is vast and the benefits are clear. By harnessing the power of AI, educators can create more personalized, efficient, and effective learning experiences for their students. From personalized learning paths and to data driven insights, AI has the potential to empower educators and enhance students' objectives. As we embrace AI possibilities in education, it is important for educators to explore and adapt AI tools that align with their teaching goals and values. By leveraging AI to personalize learning experiences, gain data driven insights, and automate routine tasks, educators can create a more dynamic and impactful learning environment for their students. In conclusion, as we embrace AI possibilities in education, it is important to explore and adapt AI tools that align with their teaching goals and values. By leveraging AI to personalize learning experiences, gain data driven insights, and automate routine tasks, educators can create a more dynamic and impactful learning environment. We encourage educators to stay curious, open minded, and proactive in integrating AI in their teaching practices. Let's harness the power of AI to unlock the full potential of education and empower the next generation of learners. Again, thank you, and please continue subscribing and watching the instructional videos on ChaSpeaks. Bye for now and watch, okay, for our next instructional video on ChaSpeaks. Thank you very much. Bye.